Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks always to Greeleaf for making us look so good. Today we have a special treat. We're making, can you guess? We're making a design to pay our respects to RBG. Yeah, Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Yeah, her story was one of resilience. She was dealt numerous personal setbacks that fueled her determination to accomplish her vision and her desire to achieve justice for others. She had a hand in shaping modern American life. She was a champion of gender and racial equality. She fought for women's rights, LGBTQ rights, undocumented people, and people living with disabilities. For me, she was grace and grit combined, and she never lost sight of the impact law can have on people's lives. I know. So as we move forward, we're going to make a tribute to her and check this out. So today we made a little faux collar with this beautiful cream colored pleated ribbon and put pearl pins in the side and taped it to the inside of the vase. We used waterproof Oasis tape, but you know, you can actually even tuck it in. So today I'm just going to start making, you know me, I like my Swiss Army knife, and we're going to start by putting the big pieces in, giving everything a fresh cut. You know, when I think about RBG, I thought about, you know, she has glam, right? So look at this pampas grass. So this pampas grass is so beautiful and will really give it the structure. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my big pieces in. It's a little tricky for me to see on that side, so you guys gotta tell me how I'm doing, okay? So this is a beautiful rose hips. Oh, I forgot to mention what I just put in previous was Nandina. Really beautiful red berries. And then this is more rose hips. This is a wide, beautiful eucalyptus that I'm gonna tuck on the back. And check this out, hanging amaranth. She's coming in. So I thought this could be kind of more in the front. So this is some peony foliage. Check this out. This is a variegated Daphne foliage that I got in my yard. I don't want to cover up her collar, so I'm going to kind of push this back. Here's some more peony foliage. I love these. These are Asclepsia pods, and they're just so interesting and different. We're gonna put some mini callas in there, maybe some grasses, some roses. Okay, what do you think? I love it so much. Thanks again for watching, and follow us, share us, subscribe. You know what to do. Click the alert bell so you get all our alerts of new videos, and thank you.